Stop burning money on your Amazon ads. You could be doing everything right with your PPC and still watching your sales tank. Here's one truth that Amazon doesn't tell you. If your BSI is high, no matter how much you bid, your ads are barely being shown to the shoppers. Think about it. Have you noticed that when your BSI goes up, same bids stop spending suddenly? That's because Amazon is not pushing your ads anymore. That means low visibility, and low visibility means fewer sales, and fewer sales means even worse ranking, and this loop keeps going on until your listing is buried. Hi, I'm Anup Patel, founder of Ads Zenith. We take your profit and sales very seriously because at the end of the day, you are working for yourself, not for Amazon, and we exist to help you get more money in your bank, not just fancy sales number on your Amazon dashboard. So in this video today, I'll let you know what to do in this situation when your BSI is high and your sales is tanking. But before we go ahead, please hit a like if you like this video and do subscribe this channel. I see many people watch my videos but don't subscribe. Please do, because it gives us extra motivation to keep posting new videos every week. Okay, so let's get back to the topic. So how do you break the cycle? Here, remember this rule. You need sales to get sales on Amazon. Yeah, this is weird, but truth. You need to give Amazon a reason to push your listing, and that's exactly where deals come in. See, your BSI is very high, so even high bids are not making Amazon push your listing. So your visibility is very low or almost nothing, right? So in this situation, you need to do something. You need to give Amazon a reason to push your listing, and that reason is going to be a deal. Prime deal, deal of the day, and outlet deals are occasional. Amazon decides when you get them, but when you get them, act fast, jump on fast, and pair these deals with aggressive PPC, and I'm damn sure you will see a big spike in your sales. By the way, you can trick outlet deals and you can get them more often for your product. You want to know how to do it? Comment how in the comment box and I'll create a dedicated video on this thing only. Now, one more challenge here is that there is no deal available, no prime deal, no outlet deal, no deals of the day available when sellers need them the most, and price discount, coupons, promotions don't work that well. So what to do now? Well, drop the price by 30 to 35% or even more if you have appetite. It triggers the same buying urgency, pushes your sales velocity and improve BSI, and then start raising price back after some time gradually. So using these tools or price drop method, you can increase your sales. You can give Amazon a reason to push your listing, but remember to mix this strategy with aggressive PPC. Now let's talk about Amazon PPC quickly. Chances are high that you are doing everything right with your Amazon ads, but here are my top 5 strategies to give your PPC a boost. Number 1, scale your auto campaigns. Many sellers think that auto campaigns are just for keyword discovery, which is wrong. You can scale auto campaigns. So you should always keep 2 kinds of auto campaigns, one for high bids targeting, one for low bids targeting, right? You can keep 2, 3, 4 auto campaigns based on how many targeting tab you want to have in one campaign. Now pair these campaigns with dynamic bids up and down bidding strategy that works great. Number 2, create scale campaigns for your hero keywords. Your hero keywords are those which convert better than the average in the niche and which have a lot of sales history. You should add these keywords in their own campaign with phrase match tab. Of course, you need to optimize them more. You need to increase. You will increase the bids for them. You will add negative keywords. You will optimize the bids on the placements for them, and you can create multiple skin campaigns for multiple hero essence. Number 3, place your top converting keywords in exact match campaign to push for ranking. Yes, bids may be a little high in exact match campaigns, but it is worth it because they will push your products to rank on those keywords. Number 4, use negative keywords a lot. Add exact negative phrase keywords to your campaigns, your auto campaigns, your phrase campaigns, your broad campaigns, your category targeting campaigns as well. Make sure to check for negative keywords every week or twice a week. It is super important. It is going to save you a lot of money. And negative phrase too, as I said, if you find a word which is coming repeatedly in your multiple negative keywords, add that word as negative phrase. It is going to block a bunch of keywords having that word. Number 5, don't skip sponsored brand and display ads. Many people think that most of the sales happen through sponsored products ad. That's right, but sponsored brand ads and sponsored display ads are still necessary, and sponsored brand ads will drive brand awareness for your essence, for your products. So create sponsored brand video ads, exact phrase, broad category targeting and product targeting. You can do all these things with your sponsored brand ads. Sponsored display ads, you have multiple options. You can target existing customers, you can target any people who has visited your product detail pages. You can target, you know, via category. You can target specific product detail page, so there are a bunch of options also there. You can target via videos, images, so you can do a bunch of things over there as well. So make sure to keep sponsor brand ad and display ads too. And here is one last bonus tip: don't add all your keywords from search term report in your campaigns, in your exact campaigns or any kind of campaigns. Go and check if you really need to add those keywords in your campaigns. Do they have generated more than one sales? Do they have enough search volume? And how is the current ranking? If organic ranking is already good and search volume is really low, you don't need to target them in the campaigns, because more campaigns and more targeting means more ad spend, and at the end of the day you need to care of profitability as well. So that's it. If you want to keep watching this kind of strategy related videos, hit a subscribe. And if you have any question regarding, you know, this video or any other topic related to selling on Amazon, just ask your question in comment or simply send me an email on this email. This is my email, and I will personally respond to all the emails within 24 hours. So that's it. Let's meet with a new video with a new topic very soon. Bye bye.